We've been at the Manufacturing Innovation Summit today in Liverpool at the Exhibition Centre. We've heard from some fantastic manufacturers. We've had some great keynotes, panel discussions and table discussions. And I think we're all trying to answer the same question. How do we make things bigger, better, cheaper, faster, simpler, safer?
I think what really worked well is the small interactive sessions. A small group of people just speak and exchange their opinions. Somebody around the table can say, you know what, we had exactly the same situation last year, and that's how we navigated out of it. Because when you have a big room, people are much more reluctant to open up. But when you have a small table, people feel more comfortable, speaking out and just sharing information.
I think it's great. You've got to balance the discipline of keeping the conversations going, and there's a lot being shared, and I think that sets the tone for us at the table. But we're having this different conversation where we're immediately being perhaps more challenging, but we create a kind of sense of trust, and therefore we immediately have an interesting conversation. We've had lots of really good leads this morning and interesting conversations which we'll take out of here as well.